It's a 2015 Ford Taurus. Treat yourself to the driver's seat, then take off, embracing every curve and devouring straightaways. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, twin turbo V6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Dorsch Ford Lincoln Kia, we have 2 convenient locations in Green Bay and look forward to serving you.